Hello everyone, welcome to all new session of our basic Excel training program designed by Profelper.com. In this session, we are going to understand the data entry in various aspects in Excel. So let me just clarify this first. What is data entry? That is very important for us to understand. Most of the people understand the data entry means is putting the data, in the system manually from the keyboard. It is not like that. It is something like bringing in the data in your file. It could be from any source. It could be from any website. It could be from any application or software on any other different file. So that is called the data. And one more thing, our work doesn't end here. We have just brought the data and our work is done. It is not like that. There are many things which needs to be done. We need to clean the data. We need to analyze the data. We need to take a deep dive into data and find the best finding. And we also need to do the data visualization. Correct. We need to create the report. We need to create the dashboard out of the data. Right. So that's how you learn. Data entry is a wider subject to learn, and there are many different smaller sections in this particular subject. And what we'll be doing, we'll be going through each and every section of this particular subject. And that's how you make a foundation strong. That's how you learn the subject, any topic. When you have the knowledge of techniques, methods, and the tools of any particular subject, you hold a strong knowledge of that particular subject or that particular topic. You'll have a strong command. What will be happening actually when you'll have the strong knowledge? The things will be happening automatically. Just click of a button. The solution will be on your tips. You don't need to go here and there. Don't need to waste your time. You don't need to make hard effort to do the thing. So you will become, that's how you become a you know problem solver, right? And that's what we'll be sharing with you guys. Those techniques, methods, and the tools. And that's how you become efficient. That's how you become proficient. It's not only about the Excel, it's about any application or any subject which you are learning. This is the basic rule which you need to understand, right? Okay, guys, I won't be taking much of your time. So this video is only about taking you through the data which we are going to work, right? So I'll be showing you the raw file, the data which will be beginning from, and the data which will be end up with on the completion of this program, right? Let me just show it to you so that you have the clarity what we are going to do in our training program and what we are going to get on the completion, right? Let me just show it to you. First, I'll show you the raw data. So this is going to be a raw data which will create from the scratch during our training program, and we'll create it from scratch. This is small kind of database where all the sheets will be linked to each other to create the report, to create the dashboard, right? So we'll summarize the data. So what we'll do, we will summarize the data which are available in multiple worksheet in a single worksheet. So this is going to be a raw data, and how will it look like when we will be start working on that particular data set, on this particular data set? It will look like this, right, guys? This will look like that. The data will look like this. This is something. So we'll also create a small dashboard, a small report. Basically, we will analyze the data, and we'll do the data visualization, right? So what you need to do, you need to find the best findings out of that data, and so that you can just present that data to your bosses, to your manager. That is very important that we need to learn. So, and there's a one more thing, we will also create a dynamic report. What will happen actually when you create a dynamic report? Data will get updated automatically. You don't need to just put the data manually. It will get updated automatically. Let me show it to you. So in this particular data set report, basically we have, you can see, so we have the product month on month product sales of all the items, right? Which company is selling or producing. So in this particular data set, you can see, we can just, summarize this report. How? So we have created some groups. So if you click here, so data is visible in month wise. If I click here, data is visible quarter wise. If I click here, suppose what happens? So data is summarized. right? It's in its descriptive form. It is easy to present. If someone doesn't want to see the entire data, you can just present it in this way also. So now let me just tell you how is this data dynamic. So this particular data is for the year 2023. Suppose you want to see this data for the year 2022, what you'll do? So you'll go back to the data and paste the copy and paste it from the year 2020. No, we are not going to do like that. What we'll do? We'll just change the year here. See, and hit the enter. See, your data gets changed automatically. So we will also create this report. We will also understand. We will learn the way to create these type of dynamic reports, right? So let me just clarify this to once again. This is just a snap of it. This is just a snap of our outcome. There will be many more things which will be coming up on your way during the session, right, guys? So stick with us and keep watching on our keep watching all our videos, right? One more thing, actually, which you shouldn't forget. So we have already covered many topics. If you have not watched our previous topic, please go and do watch them. It will help you to understand the current topic and all the forthcoming topics, right, guys? So in the next video, we'll beginning from doing our real life practical example. We'll start working actually. Okay. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.